Hi everyone! As a college student living in a course, my days feel super packed. It feels super full, super tired. Classes from morning until afternoon, endless assignments, then hanging out with friends. It is non-stop. But guess what? I still exercise 5 until 6 times in a week. So, here I will share simple tips to fit workouts into your full schedule. Exercise keep us strong, sharp, and happy, especially when life is crazy. Stick around and you'll see how. Let's go. The first tip, you have to match your workouts to your class times. My class usually start at 7 a.m. or 1 p.m. If morning class, I go straight to campus, then exercise after I get home. I usually start at 4 p.m. And if it's afternoon class, I use the morning. Wake up, work out, then head to class fresh. I usually do 120 minutes a day. Mostly weightlifting to build muscle and feel strong. But if you are new, start small, like 30 until 55 minutes. Here's how. Check your schedule weekly, then block workout time like it is a class. For beginners, you can try to walking briskly, like jogging or bodyweight stuff. No gym needed. You can do push-up or squat in your classroom. And then pick what you like. Head running, you can lift light dumbbells or do yoga. The tip number 2, don't think you need hours. Short is also good. For 30 minutes, you can walk around campus or your neighborhood, burns calories and clears your head. And for 50 minutes, you can jog lightly or do circuits. You can do push up, sit up, pull up, and so on. And don't forget to listen to music. You can start with water bottles if no equipment. Trust me, it works. The last tip and most crucial part. Workouts alone are not enough. Pair with good food and sleep. After exercise, you have to eat clean. Rice, chicken, vegetables or fruits. Skip junk, it kills gains. And then you have to sleep early. Aim for 7 until 8 hours in a day. Then your body recovers while you dream. No scrolling until midnight. Example day, workout at 4 p.m. Eat at 5 p.m., study till 9 p.m., and go to bed by 10 p.m. Boom. Ready for tomorrow's classes. Okay, maybe it's just a simple tips from me. Maybe, hopefully it can help you. Thanks for watching and see you everyone.
Fill me out with your smile. Like the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out with a